If your story doesn't do this, then your readers won't care. Are you a fiction writer who is struggling to get your readers to engage with your stories? Then you must watch this video to the end. If you are writing stories and you realize that your audience do not engage your story despite the effort you have put in, then it means you are doing one or 20 things wrong. And I'll show you how or why in this video. Now, storytelling is not just about drama, dragons, detective, the prince, and all of that. These things are very beautiful and they make your story amazing. But there is something that you need to give to your audience whenever you are telling your story. You must give your readers something they are able to recognize. And what is that thing? Emotions. Now, emotions draws your reader into your world and keep them glued in. In fact, even after the story has ended, they want to still see a continuation. Story is all about emotions. So whether it is love, it is pain, it is regret, whatever it is, you must be able to write your story in such a way that your readers are connected through these emotions. Now, let me ask you, have you ever read a story or a fiction book and you felt what the character was feeling? Now, that is exactly what you need to give to your readers, or else the story won't actually give what it's supposed to give. So instead of telling your audience or your readers the story, this one thing will help you grab their attention and draw them into your world. It's called show, don't tell. Now, you don't just tell your readers what happened in your story, but you show them how it happened. That way, you carry them along and you make them feel the same emotions with your character. Now, do you see how that will transform your storytelling skill? So, I want you to try this concept in your next story and watch how it will grow your readers' interest in your story and also boost your engagement. If you found this tip very helpful, don't forget to subscribe because on this channel, we are breaking bad writing habits and make you a better author and writer.
Please like, share, and subscribe.